postpartum care for mom and baby. Did you know that the first 6 weeks after delivery is known as the postpartum period, and it is the time when the mother's body is recovering from pregnancy and childbirth? And it's not just the mother who needs care during this period, but the newborn baby as well. There are many things that can go wrong during the postpartum period if you don't take proper care of yourself and your newborn. Postpartum depression, breast engorgement, and jaundice are just a few examples of complications that can occur if you neglect postpartum care. So, without further ado, let's jump right into some of the best postpartum care practices for mom and baby. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something that is very important and close to our hearts. Postpartum care for mom and baby. This is an essential topic that often goes overlooked, but it's crucial for both the mother and the newborn's health and well-being. As a new parent, it's common to feel overwhelmed and unsure of what to do after delivery. You're adjusting to a new lifestyle, lack of sleep, and taking care of a little human who completely depends on you. But fear not, as we are here to guide you through some of the best postpartum care practices for mom and baby. 1. Take care of yourself. The first and foremost thing that you need to do after delivery is to take care of yourself. Your body has been through a lot, and it needs time to heal. Make sure to get plenty of rest, eat a healthy diet, and drink plenty of fluid. Avoid lifting heavy objects and take things slowly. 2. Breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is the best way to nourish your newborn, and it's also beneficial for the mother. It helps the uterus to contract, which reduces bleeding and also promotes bonding between the mother and the baby. Make sure to breastfeed your newborn every 3 hours or as often as they need. 3. Postpartum depression. Postpartum depression is a common condition that affects many new mothers. It's important to recognize the signs of postpartum depression and seek help if needed. Symptoms may include sadness, anxiety, lack of energy, and difficulty sleeping. Don't be afraid to ask for help from family, friends, or a healthcare provider. 4. Perineal care. Perineal care is essential for women who have had vaginal births. The perineum is the area between the vagina and the anus, and it can be sore and swollen after delivery. Make sure to keep the area clean and dry and use a peri bottle filled with warm water to clean after using the bathroom. 5. Baby care. Newborns require a lot of attention and care. Make sure to bathe your baby regularly, change their diapers frequently, and dress them appropriately for the weather. It's also important to keep your baby safe by placing them on their back to sleep and avoid smoking around them. 6. Jaundice. Jaundice is a common condition that affects many newborns. It occurs when there is an excess of bilirubin in the blood, which causes the skin and eyes to turn yellow. Make sure to keep your baby well, hydrated, and expose them to sunlight to help reduce the bilirubin level. Taking care of yourself and your newborn during the postpartum period is crucial for both of your health and well-being. Remember to take things slowly, ask for help when needed, and don't hesitate to seek medical attention if you have any concerns. We hope that these postpartum care practices will be helpful to you as you embark on this new journey of parenthood. Do check our videos if you want to know more about pregnancy and child-related knowledge. Thanks for watching.